Hey tubers, thought I'd show you a few things real quick. We're working in the greenhouse. That's Christy, my daughter. She's here with the grandkids, and we are going to be planting out some Salanova lettuce, also known as red butthead according to her. So let me turn this around, and Christy's going to do the shooting. So if the quality of this video sucks, you can blame her. So there you go, Christy. Come on, Banks, come on, buddy.
Shadow's already saying, this stinks. Okay,
Yeah,
what is
well,
it?
that is a...
Is this a red one? Oh,
Come
yeah.
here.
They're all red.
Okay, get it all
Come
in
on,
there.
come here.
There we go. Okay, well, we will. Okay, so we're gonna...
I gotta go get a label.
We're not gonna put those in there because that's all by itself or whatever. We'll try and keep them in this first one, okay? So what we're doing, this is a what is this? I think it's like, so it doesn't mow, no, not in the center.
Hey, you want to plant? Get up there with Mammaw. No, go over there. Go. No. No, go over there with Mammaw. Let her give you one.
Here you go, Banks. Remember, I'll get you one. Hang on. Nope. Okay, so that's the middle. Christy, what are you teaching her in school, honey? She doesn't know the middle.
Oh.
Honey, just put them in this one. Not the middle.
No.
Nope. Okay. Yep.
Nope.
That's
Okay.
what happens when you have a 20-month-old.
Yep.
Here you go, Banks. Here, put that in there. Let's put this in here. Listen. Okay.
Put it in right here.
Okay, so put it in there.
Say ta-da!
Yay! Yay! Okay, not these though. That's a different.
Oh.
Oh, well. Should we sing Kumbaya or something? I don't know.
That didn't go very well.
Kumbaya, my lord.
Oh no, that's done.
Yeah.
That one's done.
Banks, you're fired.
Now we're going to try and put the rest of them down here.
Banks is
Got
a
two more?
vegetable murderer.
Okay.
No, thanks.
Yep, right there. And then the next one. And very good, Shiloh. You're putting them all in the middle, just like it's supposed to be.
No. Oh, okay, this isn't working. This is expensive. This is.
Oh, hey. Say Pappaw.
It's okay, Banks. We're just not going to let you run.
Don't tell him it's okay. No.
Tell him, Banks. Tell Pappaw. Go tell Pappaw. Say no.
No.
Say no.
We got to leave the flowers alone.
Where's babysitter Daniel?
We got to leave the babies alone. Yeah. You can see them. You can look. Just don't touch. Okay, so Christy, let me explain to you. These are the babies. Shiloh, you need to know this too. These are the babies. These are when they're like toddlers. Well,
We'll try.
these are kind of like above the toddler stage. It's more like the teenager stage. And this is when they're full grown. They're adults now. Isn't that pretty? Is that cool? This is called red romaine. I'm excited about that one. Yeah. And we have something else red. We have red kale that's coming up too.
Sally, you look homeless.
I know. Look, say smile for me.
Say cheese.
Say cheese. Say I love my Mammaw.
Wow.
Mommy, look. This stuff does stink really bad. So do you want me to start doing these in here, in that middle one? Do we have any more of the red down here, babe? Do we have any more of the red romaine?
Yeah, just these two.
I'm sweating.
Okay, hang on. Okay, so what you got to be careful because they'll come out really easy.
I'm not sure these two are gonna make it because these are the
Break
ones
those
that
apart.
decapitated.
You got to just be careful. There's 3 of them there. Yep. Uh-oh, Banks is...
Come here, buddy.
Can I do it? Yes.
He's like, man, y'all don't want me out here. I'm out. Peace.
Peace out, suckers. Okay, yeah, so you just dip it. What is this stuff, Chuck? It's anti-what?
That's a fungicide.
Fungicide. No, on this
What are
middle
you
one.
doing?
Yeah, in the middle one there.
Are you
I'm trying to
Because we don't want to...
repair
See, this is different.
the
See,
Banks
this is a different
damage.
plant than these.
I don't
So
know
you
if it's
wanna
gonna work
do
or not,
some-
but
you
we're
know
gonna
what
try.
I'm
Like surgery.
saying? You're doing surgery.
Hey, no. Hey, tell Pappaw. Say no. No.
Yeah.
Say no.
Yeah. Nope. Oh, shoot, that was a close one. I saved you. I'm so sorry.
Hey, say me, Mammaw. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. He's gone.
He's gone out of
Daniel's
here.
still out there?
Yep.
Oh, Shiloh, here's the tomato plants we're going to be planting.
So camera lady is her mommy, and if you can't see, I shop at Goodwill. Not really. She's got hot and started wearing her cousin's swimming trunks.
Chrissy, do you want me to get you on video?
No, ma'am.
Why not?
I'm good. Dad already videoed me.
He did? Oh, and I got you on videos.
Yeah, I don't plant. That smells. That smells.
It's really gross to smell my fingers.
No, no. I already smell just from sweating in here.
It
in
is
this
gross.
place.
I did not know that this stunk so bad, but it does too.
Yeah, for those of you who have asked about the little girl that was running in my trailer, that is her. That is Shiloh. She does belong to Christy. She's her oldest. They are both gymnasts. Christy is a physical trainer, and Shiloh you may see in the Olympics one day. She's pretty special.
Round up back hand straight or a back walkover or a front walkover for Pappaw.
Yeah, do it.
There's something that you know how to do. Come here, Banks.
Thanks.
Keep your arms straight. Hold on, try again. I'm not going to do it. One more.
I need to do it on my video.
Come on, you can do it. Keep your legs straight. Slow.
Hey,
Hey.
not bad for a 6-year-old.
So,
Okay, well, I want to tell you guys, she told me I have to video her doing this.
yes,
So everyone doesn't think I do everything in here.
exactly.
Okay, you know what she's done? She has topped off that whole row. Almost that whole row. She topped it off. So I'm going to give credit where credit is due.
Yes,
She topped
yes.
it off.
And I filled it up a couple of times.
That's 2 wheelbarrow fulls. Yeah.
I just
two
don't
wheelbarrow
want
fulls.
everybody think that Chuck does everything all by himself. I'm just saying.
Each one of these is 33 wheelbarrow fulls. And she's put 2, so that's 35.
Three actually. 3.
Okay, so 36. There's 36 wheelbarrow fulls will complete each side.
Each side or just all of them together?
Each side.
Wow.
Yeah, you see how little 3 is? Okay, I just thought I'd let you know.
Well,
That's okay, but she did help.
I'm helping.
She
I'm
is,
like
and it's hot as
shaking babe.
Hades in here.
I'm like shaking, babe. I helped.
Yeah.
You know?
All right, well, do something so they actually think you did instead of talk.
I-